Hi everyone. In the previous video, we already have seen the contiguous memory allocations, and we also see that the contiguous memory allocation is not sufficient to solve the memory management problem. Okay, so there are some problems like internal fragmentation or external fragmentation is occurred in contiguous memory allocation. Fixed partitioning have various flaws for which we move on to the dynamic partitioning, but still dynamic partitioning have some flaws. It does not resolve the external fragmentation problem. And after that we move on non-contiguous allocation. So the second is non-contiguous allocation. In non-contiguous allocation, the process is divided into pages. Okay, so first of all, let's see non-contiguous allocation type. Non-contiguous allocation is classified into two types. One is paging and the other one is segmentation. Okay, and I will give you the idea behind non-contiguous allocation. In non-contiguous allocation, let us say this is main memory and this is process P1, and similarly various other processes, process P2. The main memory is divided into frames. Okay, so in non-contiguous allocation, the whole main memory is divided into frames. We call it as a frames. Okay, and this division is based on the logic, means we cannot cut the main memory and call it as each part as a frames. Logically we think that the main memory is divided into frames, and based on that we program the operating system. Okay, so whenever we create or design the operating system, so we create based on this perception. Okay, and process is divided into pages. So here process is divided into pages, and now this individual page of the processes are put in the random manner in the memory location available here. Okay, based on this, let's say you put the page 1 of process P1, page 2, it is page 3 and page 4 in the random part of the main memory. So what happened to this? Due to this particular concept, the internal fragmentation is not occurred, external fragmentation is also not occurred. Okay, and what about paging and segmentation? Paging means process is divided into pages, and each page have to allocate in the different location of main memory, and based on this we can also increase the degree of multi-programming, and if degree of multi-programming is increased, that means efficiency of CPU is also increased. Okay, so division of main memory into frames and process into pages is generally the concept behind non-contiguous allocation. Okay, and paging is generally applied the same concept here. And now in the next video, let's see what segmentation tells.